The Food Service Exchange presents
The Induc Stone is a patented Adventys technology, an induction warming solution for buffet. Once installed, this under-counter kit becomes completely invisible for your clients. Easy to install, the product is simply fixed under your countertop, and the sensor here is able to read the temperature of the stone. This solution for your worktop is compatible with a wide range of materials, as for example, marble, granite, wood, and more. To operate your product and maximize its capacities, you have to use the thermal spacer, a silicone accessory that will spread the full power of induction inside your chafing dish. It is completely adaptable to the size of your container by simply cutting out the branches. The temperature inside your container can show up to 90 degrees Celsius, ideal for maintaining temperature. The surface of the worktop, meanwhile, does not exceed 55 degrees Celsius, which guarantee a completely safe use. This means that your cooking surface can quickly become a worktop or a simple storage surface. The Induc Stone has an extremely simple control panel to allow quick startup and easy configuration. Press the Start key to start up and use the plus and minus keys to adjust the power level.